Hi friends, I am N2. In previous part we have played with 3-letter words, and now we are going to play with 4, 5 and 6-letter words, and this is jumbled words part 2. So let's start from the bottom. The first one. Did you guess it? The word is orange. Now let's come to the second one. The second one is green. Let's come to the third one. The third one is white. And let's come to the fourth one. The fourth one is blue. And let's come to the last one. The last one is pink. Did you guess that what are these words related to? Yes, these words are related to colors, and the previous one were related to animals. So let's give you some colors. This is pink, blue, white, green and orange, as you can see. Please subscribe to my channel to get more videos. Thank you.